So we're on our way to London today. So Calgary first and then Calgary to London.
Well, this is it. Off to London. Are you ready? The famous backwards walk. I hope there's nobody behind me. They're now going on the Dash 9 Dreamliner into Canary.
Oh my god. App.
Well, it was a better choice than Tim's because they only have ready-made sandwiches, right? In all my dreams, it's finally happening. We're going aboard the WestJet Dreamliner 787. Let's see if it lives up. Looking for a burger place.
During an emergency, 4 lighting will guide you to the exits. S'il y a une urgence, l'éclairage de plancher vous guidera vers les sorties. All exits are equipped with evacuation slides to use in an emergency. Toutes les sorties sont équipées de glissières d'évacuation.
We are now in London and we're heading to the Tower Bridge. Boo, you're in London. Tower Bridge. What do you think?
What year was this?
I don't know. Is that cool? Very cool. This is so cool, being in London. Boo! Randy. Boy, you tired?
Day one in London, and it's funny, all the videos we've seen on YouTube about getting an Oyster card, we've had problems. You cannot buy an Oyster card at any of the vending machines.
Or tube.
Or the tube stations. We've been to 3 so far. And you have to have an Oyster card. You could reload an existing one.
So we're at the hotel, point A. So we are at Canary Wharf in London. This is more like a financial district, I guess. We're really, really tired right now. Oh, look. Oh.
Notice the duck out there?
Yeah, a rubber ducky.
That's a mother ducker.
Oh.
What is it?
224. Right, 224.
Ready for the big video. Wow. It's actually bigger than I thought it would be. It's cute.
Wait, how do we turn on the light?
This is the size of my bedroom. Let's take a look at the washroom. This is what it's hard to tell from. Oh, cool.
It's not too bad at all. Can you turn it on, the light? So this is our room. This is just a small room. We thought it was smaller than what we think. Is that right? It's bigger than what we thought.
This just reminds me of a cruise ship cabin. And I'm very lucky because I have one of my biggest fans here.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so this area, the TV is hangers, and there's here.
Here's the bathroom.
And there's here a bathroom. Let's see the bathroom. A fudge?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm showering in London, here and there, and everywhere in London.
For you to actually control it, you have to insert the key. There's actually instruction here, so you have to insert the key, and then these are control for the temperature, these are the control for the lights and everything. This is the map, local area kind of thing, the floors. So yeah, it's not too bad at all.
It's clean.